Hello and welcome to my abstract geometric shapes face painting tutorial number 7. Sit back and relax. Watch me transform my face into my art drawing. Then I will compare side by side my face painting to my art face drawing. To enhance this geometric shape look, I have created a headband attaching round pom-poms to chenille stems, which are attached to a headband. The hat is made from construction paper cut into round shapes, then hot glued to a latex wig cap. There is a space in the back of the hat allowing the hat to stretch over my head. The eyewear is made from construction paper with punched round holes, then fed onto a headband. I am ready for this challenge. Let's see if I can paint my face to look like my art drawing. Let's begin this transformation. This completes the application of the transformation. It's now time to compare my face painting to my art drawing. It's now time for me to get in the full costume and show you my complete and finished look. I do hope you enjoyed my abstract geometric shapes face painting tutorial number 7. Please check out my other abstract geometric shapes face painting tutorials on this channel. And thanks for watching. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out my other video transformations and face painting tutorials on this channel. I do hope you click subscribe and the bell icon to receive a notification of my future videos. As always, thanks for watching.